What's up, peeps? What's going on? So today we are talking attics. So what is an attic? Let's explain more in depth in this video. So the purpose of an attic basically is just to help control that temperature within your home. So we produce moisture in the air on our bottom levels, like our basement, in our basement, on our main floors, second floor, third floor, doesn't matter. We produce moisture by doing regular basic activities each day. Such as cooking, showering, leaving a window open to let air from the outside in, heaters, etc., etc. In fact, guys, we actually produce moisture just by speaking, breathing. Moisture naturally diffuses from us and vaporizes and goes into the air. Interesting facts, right? Such a nerd. And primarily the reason why mold is building inside the attic is due to lack of ventilation. Air is not escaping, hot moisture is becoming trapped in the attic and is producing moisture on the actual wood material. So let's focus right now on washroom fans. Here we have one washroom fan that an individual did not brace properly. As you can see, they used tuck tape around to try to seal it. However, they left some really big gaps where air from the washroom, when you're taking that hot shower, will be able to expel into the attic, causing that mold growth or the condensation buildup. Also, the wrapping around the ductwork is not all the way to the top, should have been cuffed up and braced so that no air leaks. Moving on now, we move to soffit vents. Now, soffit vents do have a purpose in the attic. They help disperse air evenly through the attic, which in turn head upwards through the roof vents, helps to control that moisture from becoming condensation and then settling on the wood material. And sometimes this insulation here can get lodged in the soffit vent cavity, so it should be dislodged for proper airflow. Now we move to roof vents. Yes, roof vents do play a part. For every 300 square foot of attic, you should have one roof vent. You should have an intake as well. So you require air to come in and you need air to come out. So it doesn't turn into that moisture as we've been speaking of and settle on your wood material. All right, so let's talk insulation now. This is a hate and love situation. I love this insulation because it's a much more better fire resistant one. Also blocks out air leakages amazingly, but it is very messy to deal with. But again, it is a good insulation, guys, to have. You always want to make sure that this insulation is leveled out, any insulation in fact, that it's leveled out throughout your attic floor to get the maximum R value from it. And here we have a visual of a whirlybird, whirly fan, whatever, get it. This is great to have. I think all attics should have it. It helps remove that heat and ventilate those roof cavities. Get that fan. Next visual here, we have one attic sheathing. If you notice here how moldy it is, I just want to show you guys how our product works. Here's a very moldy attic. Was somewhat moderate, but we're here using our product. This is the after. If you notice the sheathings in the front, not where the fan is, we haven't done those yet, but you see how clean and how that mold just disappears. Up next, again, this is another type of attic that we've done. Insulation, this type of style of insulation, very low, is on the low side. So again, remember when I told you about the unevenness when it comes to insulation, should not be like this, but it is. Soffit vents, we always like to make sure that they're operational. We always use the light technique. So if you could see, I've turned off the lights. I could see that they're soffits. Of course, we physically go down there to check. And here we have another another joke of a fan wrapped up. It happens, guys. Just make sure that they're insulated properly. Here we have a before of an attic. You can see all the mold, how it's just everywhere. Again, moderately, nothing extreme, but it's there, and you have to get rid of it. Here's the after. We've attacked it, of course. The crew has attacked it. So looking like brand new, smells great. Well, not really, because the product we use is a little strong up there, but don't worry, it doesn't affect you downstairs. We have our containments up and our machines running. Anyways, enough of me talking. These are before and after images of these attics. Guys, thank you for joining me on this video. For more information, go to www.ultimatemolcrew.ca. or you can give us a call. We'd love to hear your lovely voices. Come on, 647-985-2739. Thank you guys once again. Humbly saying thank you. Peace and love.